I love the curls. It's not cool. Hello and welcome back. Today I have 3 new wigs for us to try on. One from Etsy, one from Amazon, and one from Shein. Let's start with the most expensive one, and that would be the one from Etsy. So this is the box that it came in. I'll be right back with that wig on. Or maybe I'll just do a fun transition. Alright, and this is the wig from Etsy, Real Human Hair. It feels really soft. It feels kind of like my hair. It doesn't tangle easily because it is human hair. So what I'm going to do when I style this wig is I'm probably going to bring some across the front so it kind of covers my forehead a little bit. But let me just give you a full review of the wig. Turn around and show you the back. And a lot of these human hair wigs do not come actually cut and styled. So as you can see with this one, it's just kind of, it's not really straight across the back. There's like longer parts and shorter parts. So basically what you need to do is go ahead and put your wig on a mannequin. I was just looking for this wig. Cool, found you. So you put your wig on a mannequin, and then you want to just go ahead and cut along the bottom. If you don't know how to cut hair, please watch a hair cutting tutorial before cutting your wig hair. Or watch my video about cutting a wig. Hang on just a moment and I will be right back. Pow! And this is the wig from Walmart. So let's talk about this wig for a second. Actually, let's talk about the last wig. This last wig that we had was a lace front wig. I just wanted to let you know that. Now for this one, I made a mistake in ordering and I should have looked to see if it was lace front. It has these weird, I don't know if you can see them, it's like this weird matted thing that goes across the top of it to like cover the part or something. It's just, it's not cool. I do like this wig, I like the color of it, I like the curls. I'm hoping I can once again do something where I can kind of swipe it across my face a little bit. That's one of my go-to looks, is just swipe my bangs across my face. So I'm hoping that I can do that with this wig. If not, then my daughter will have a great time playing with it. So shall we check out the next wig? Here is the Shein wig. It is an awesome shade of red. I absolutely love it. I love the curls. Let me show you the back. Now this is a lace front wig and it does have lace up to right about here. So not too far, but you can definitely give it a little part in the front. To be honest with you, this is my favorite out of all of them, and this is actually the Shein wig. So, you know, you get some good stuff, you get some bad stuff. I've never got anything bad from Shein, to be honest with you, but I'm sure that other people have had different experiences. I actually got this dress off Shein, and it is like super warm and thick, and I love it to death. So this is going to be it for our wig review. Tell me in the comments, which one did you like? Did you like the Etsy, the Walmart, or the Shein? And with that being said, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.